We started the project by looking up different types of trebuchets. We originally wanted to do a floating arm trebuchet, but found that would be too difficult. We went with the Merlin trebuchet, which utilizes multiple arms to create torque and speed. After we figured out the type of trebuchet we wanted, we made multiple sketches to figure out how we can make it work. When the sketches were done, we moved to the computer where we modeled out our design in both Autodesk Inventor and SketchUp. When the model was finished and we were happy with what was created, we made an IDW for each piece. Gathering materials were cheap and easy, as we used old reclaimed wood, screws, pulleys, and brackets from the old trebuchets. Once the materials were gathered and the plan was set, we started working on the frame. To make our trebuchet, we utilized a variety of tools, including bandsaws, jigsaws, powered drills, and even a drill press. After we assembled our trebuchet and attached the weight, we did a dry run to ensure that everything worked the way it was supposed to. With this design, we managed to launch the golf ball between 150 to 200 feet. But it wasn't flawless. The ball would either not come out or go the opposite way we wanted it to. Every once in a while it would work, though it was not consistent enough. We went back to the drawing board and lengthened the base to give the weight more time to drop, moved the firing mechanism to give less stress on the arm, added stilts so the ball did not touch the ground, and added an extension to the throwing arm to give it more time to spin and build up speed. With our new design, we went back and updated all the CAD files to reflect the changes made to the trebuchet. This gave us the results we needed of almost 400 feet.
3, 2, 1.
After we had consistency, moved to making it better. First, trying different weights. Our old design failed when put under more weight. And the new design was no different, just adding 5 pounds threw off the balance.
Alright, ready?
And adding less weight gave us even worse results. But once we put 30 pounds back on, it worked like a charm. Next we adjusted the firing pin. We found that by slightly altering the angle of it, we could change the trajectory. If pushed back, the ball will go higher, while if it was pushed forward, the ball will go more straight. We fiddled with the pin until we were able to make the ball fly at a 45-degree angle. This was the angle we discovered was best after lots of debate and research. This project has taught us a lot about working together as a group, not giving up, and not being afraid to get our hands dirty. We learned how to use new power tools and problem solve when we got stuck. In the end, we made a trebuchet that can fire a golf ball well over 350 feet, and high enough that it can get lost
Alright.
in the sun.
3, 2, 1.